Hey guys, welcome to this prompt engineering free course. Okay, so inside this course we will going to cover lots of topics. So what are the topics or what will be the course outline? That is what we will going to tell you now. Okay, so first of all my friends, we will going to understand some basic terms which we use in prompt engineering, and that is very much important. Okay, so first will be NLP, LLM, AI, GPT. Now what are these terms and what their meaning is? That is what we will going to cover inside this course. Then we will going to discuss about some prompting use cases with real world examples. Then we will also going to cover some parameters like topi, temperature, etc, etc. And then we will also going to cover all the important skills to master for prompt engineering. So inside this free course we will going to provide you lots of valuable knowledge that will going to help you a lot. Okay, so make sure that you watch this free course from starting to end. It will really going to help you. Okay, and also going to provide you lots of valuable information regarding prompt engineering. Okay,